Hi guys, today I'm playing Fortnite Reload Zero Build Squads. So let's get in. Yeah guys, I might lag a bit. I'm going Lizard. I'm feeling Lizard links. I feel like it. So no, I ain't going Lizard. I'm going my second main drop spot. Guys, how to like my guard? Glider. I'm bit sick, so might like my head or might like off or something sometimes. So sorry. Let's go, guys. My favorite gun of the game. Tell in the comments what's your favorite gun. My second. These are my two favorites. So, bro, just. And guys, please subscribe so you can be my one of my first subscribers. And someday you can be in the OG gang too. And tell in the comments, do you prefer shockwaves or grapplers? I'm a bit cooked here. Maybe I'm not, actually. Yes, I am. Yeah, I am cooked. Bro! He has aimbot. He has literally aimbot. Through the bush, like. How the hell through the bush? I'm gonna land on the supply drop. And I'm not very good. So, you might like, don't like me. Bro, my teammate is there, like. How the hell is other side of the storm? I'm just gonna take the supply drop and... Just give me something good, please. I'm just gonna like reboot or something. But I just need some loot and or something like that. Bro is other side of the storm, like how the hell is so far? Like I don't get it. Like bro's wasting his time, right? Like bro is wasting his time right now. Oh hell nah. So big fight is going on there. Just give me something. Just give me a chest, boy. Game, just give me a chest. Somebody's here. Bro, why did he, like, my teammate leave? Like, why? Oh, Mehmet. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Bro, I'm so cooked. Bro, how the hell he sniped me so good? Like, how? Bro, my epic mama. I'm just gonna land on... Bro, what are you doing? Oh! Bro, what the aimbot he has? What the aimbot he has? Bro, just come and revive. I just want my loot, like... I saw I just go there, like... Bro, what the aimbot? What the aimbot he has? Like, what aimbot he has? Bro, I'm so freaking dead right now. Oh! I'm so dead. I'm so... Bro, it almost had it. I almost had it. But we're out, guys. Bye.